Okay, again we have part 2 now. We have a verb. We have a German today part 2. Because you will get the recording in two sections, right? So we have German part 2, right? Okay. For example, Ashima, we have a verb is to describe. You say is to describe your family, describe your thing, describe yourself. So we have a verb is to describe. Beschreiben. Speak up. Beschreiben, like beschreiben. Beschreiben is to describe basically. Okay? Beschreiben. Speak up. Besch. See, we have a verb is to beschreiben. Why? Because beschreiben is a verb to describe something. Speak up. Beschreiben. Yes. Because this is a very common verb. If I will say describe, we can describe your family, your something, your room. So this we will use the verb to describe is beschreiben. Describe. Is that clear to you? So now you know the formula, right? If you will, what you have to do? You have to remove en from here. So ich beschreibe. Is that clear to you? Du beschreibst. We have du beschreibst. Is that clear to you? Okay. So we have ARZ. ARZ is beschreibt. ARZ is beschreibt. Is that clear to you? We are beschreiben. Full verb. So basically you have to speak after me. I describe, ich beschreibe. You describe, du beschreibst. Er, sie beschreibt. We have a full verb beschreiben. Okay. Ihr beschreibt. And sie beschreiben. So these are the verb patterns. So speak after me, Ashima. Beschreiben is to describe. Okay. So we have ich beschreibe, du beschreibst, er, sie beschreibt, wir beschreiben, ihr beschreibt, and sie beschreiben. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Okay. Right. So we have a lot of verbs. We have a lot of verb basically. Now, for example, pen down please. Then we'll move forward.
Yes.
Okay. Okay. Made up dish.
Yes.
लिख लिया आपने? Okay. So we have a verb to sehen. Sehen is a verb to see. If you want to speak English, it means you should come to know what is my verb pattern basically, because with the help of verbs you come to know the language and you can for fabricate the sentences basically, right? So we have a verb sehen. We have a verb sehen. Sehen is to see. We have a verb sehen. Sehen is to see. If I will say I see, so what I will say? Ich sehe, because we have to remove en. Ich sehe. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Du zest.
Zest.
Because you know what? Because see, not in every cases, but over here we have e. That e is converted into ie. So we have du zest. Du zest. My e is converted into ie. Du zest. Only with case of do and az. Az z. Z. Is it clear to you? So ish there is IC. Do zest is you see in terms of informal. Er is he, z is she, er, z, z. Is it clear to you? So we have a full verb. We are zen.
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
We are zen. Okay, and er z. Er z. Because over here we don't have IE formula. Only with case of do and ASZ we have a IE formula. Here we don't have. So speak up. Zain is a verb to see. Zain is a verb to see. Speak up. Ish there. Do this. AZ AZ. We are Zain. AZ and Z Zain. We are full verb. Is that clear to you?
Yes, yes, sir.
So now speak after me. Ish there. Make it your own way. Du zest. Er sie zet. Wir sehen. Ihr seht. And sie sehen. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Right? So, for example, okay, pen down please, then we'll move forward.
Yes.
Have you penned down? May I have this?
Yes.
Alright. So, we have a next verb is to schlafen. We have a verb is to schlafen. Schlafen is a verb to sleep, to go to bed. आप जाते हो to sleep, to go to bed, है ना? To go to bed, to sleep, okay? So schlafen is a verb to sleep, to go to bed, right? So as a rule, you have to remove en from over here. If you say I sleep, so that is ich schlafe. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Right? Du schläft. Du schläft. Here we have a umlaut. Schläft. Du schläfst. Sorry. Entschuldigung. Sorry. We have FSV. Okay. So here we have du schläft. Er, sie schläft. Er, sie schläft. So if you will say I sleep, that is ich schlafe. Du schläfst. Er, sie schläft. Understand my voice. A, that is umlaut, that sound is A. And that sound is A. If you have a umlaut, that sound is A. Okay? And if you don't have umlaut, that sound is A. So that's why ich schlafe, du schläfst, er, sie schläft. Is that clear, Ashima? Wir schlafen, full verb. Ashima, is it clear to you? Hello, Ashima. Ashima, you there?
Yes, sir.
Okay, is it clear to you? Ich schlafe, du schläfst, sie schläft, wir schlafen. Okay, ihr schlaft, ihr
Ihr schlaft.
and sie schlafen.
Sie schlaft.
Simple. Okay, so let me schlaft. Okay, चलो मैं लिख देता हूँ schlaft. And here we have a full verb you can make. Okay, चलो let me pen down this. Schlafen. Is it clear to you?
Yes.
So now repeat after me. Ich schlafe, du schläfst, sie schläft, wir schlafen, ihr schlaft, and sie schlafen. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So may I write this? Up now you have to make the sentence. For example, you say to the other people, pen down please. I can sleep and walk. Simple. I can sleep and walk. Walk. Simple. So what you will say? I can sleep. I can is what? Ich kann. I can. Ich kann. Okay. I can sleep. Sleep is my verb to schlafen. Ich kann schlafen. And is what? Und. You are saying I can sleep and walk. Ich kann schlafen und arbeiten. Arbeiten is my verb. Arbeiten. Is that clear to you, Ashima?
Yes.
You will say I can sleep and work, right? Ich kann schlafen, arbeiten. So if you see, it's very normal things. Like I can sleep and work. I can sleep and go. For example, you can say I can sleep and go. Ich kann. See, there is no sense. इनका कोई sense नहीं है in sentence का. But knowingly I am saying this so that you can come to know like how to conjugate the sentence. Ich kann schlafen. Und gehen is to go. If you will say I can sleep and drink, what you will say? I can sleep and drink. Ich kann schlafen und trinken. Trinken is a verb to drink. We have done Ashima. That trinken. So trinken is a verb to drink. So I'm saying no. I can sleep and drink. Ich kann schlafen und trinken. Okay. I can go. Ich kann gehen. Tell me anything. Like if you will say, okay, let me see. If you will say, I want to cook. Pen down please, Ashima. I want to cook. Pen down please. May I rub this? We have a verb to cook. See, now if I will say I want to cook, you came to know like ich mocht or ich will, but what is my cook? Because I did not tell you the verb cook. It means now you came to know like verb play a vital role in terms of speaking the language. So we have a verb kochen. Kochen is a verb to cook. Is that clear to you, Ashima? So I will say ich mag kochen. Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you, Ashima? Tell me yes and no.
सर आवाज क्लियर नहीं आती इसलिए मैं नॉट करेंगे.
अब आ रही है आपको मेरी वॉइस क्लियर? Ich mag kochen. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? Okay. So here we have ich mochte kochen. That is to verb. आपको अभी तो मेरी वॉइस क्लियर आ रही थी. You got my voice?
Yes, sir.
All right. Okay. So basically, these are the things wherein you can make the. See, language is all about your. For example, depending upon on your verbs. For example, if I will say, I want to speak the language. Simple. And you will. And this you have to tell it to me. I will not tell you. I want to speak. Okay, simple. I want to speak. Tell me what is I want to speak. Ich mochte. To speak is the verb to sprechen.
अच्छा.
Is that clear to you? Is that clear to you?
Very clear. बताया था क्या? हाँ, क्या है सर? Depend.
We have a verb. Okay. Now I want to give you some vocabularies. Language. What to say language in German language? Which is Sprache. Sprache is your basically your language. Okay? Speak up Sprache. Speak up Sprache.
Sprache.
Yes, Sprache is your language. Okay? So, for example, you will say, I want to speak language. कि मुझे एक language बोलनी है. I want to speak language. Now, I want to speak language is what? Ich will. Now, you tell me. I want to speak language. If I will say, ich will Sprache sprechen. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Is that clear to you? So, let's go for some different pattern also. Okay. There is something which I want to repeat one more time. Okay. Some words and some conversation I want to repeat. So you have to speak after me. Hallo, ich heiße. Speak up, Ashima. Hallo, ich heiße. You will tell your name. Okay. My name is this. So that is hallo, ich heiße. Okay. Hallo, ich heiße.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Then we have ich bin. If I'm saying ich bin. Okay. Guten Tag. This is my formal version. If you're speaking to your elder one, that is your Guten Tag. Guten Tag. Mein Name ist. Guten Tag is good morning. Good day. Mein Name ist. Speak up. Mein Name ist. Mein Name ist. If I'm saying hello, ich heiße, that's an informal version. If I'm saying Guten Tag, mein Name ist, mein Name ist, my name is. Und Sie, speak up Ashima. Und Sie and you. For example, you are explaining yourself. Hallo, ich heiße, Guten Tag, mein Name ist, my name is, and you. हम पूछे ना your name is and you. If you're speaking with the formal version that is und sie. If I'm speaking with informal version that is und du. Und du is my informal version. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Guten Abend. Speak up, Ashima. Guten Abend. Guten Abend is good evening. Guten Abend. Speak up. Guten Abend. Now, Ashima, you ask, like, what is your name? As in formal version. What is your name? We heißen Sie. हमने किया ना? we already have done, right? We hyphen Z. What is your name in terms of the formal version? Okay. Wie ist Ihr Name? Speak up, Ashima. Wie ist. Speak up. Wie ist Ihr Name? Speak up. Wie ist Ihr Name? Speak up, Ashima. Wie ist Ihr Name? Speak up. Wie ist Ihr Name is basically, that is also you are asking the name. Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie heißt du? Speak up, Ashima. Wie heißt du? Wie heißt du is your informal version of. See, these are the terms. Like you are asking the name of the person. Wie heißen Sie is my formal version. Wie ist Ihr Name? Wie heißt du is my informal version. You are asking the name of the person. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
So, if I am asking to you, Guten Tag, Ashima, Guten Tag, wie heißt du? Tell me, reply me if I am asking, Guten Tag, Ashima, mein Name ist Ankit, ich bin Ankit, mein Name ist Ankit, Guten Tag, ich heiße Ankit, und du, und sie, or either I can say, wie heißt du? समझ आ रहा है आपको मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? See, now increase your listening skills and I will say and you have to understand like what I'm saying is, okay? I'm saying, hallo, guten Tag, ich bin Ankit, hallo, ich heiße Ankit, mein Name ist Ankit und du und sie, wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? समझ आ रहा है मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ? Wie geht es dir? What is wie geht es dir? See, this is
मेरा नाम पुष्पा.
we get SDR. How are you, Pushong man? We get SDR.
Okay, how are you?
Yes.
Danke.
Anna, danke. Okay. Ich bin gut. Ich bin sehr gut. I'm very good. Ich bin sehr gut. See, that is the pattern basically wherein you can understand the listening portion. So I will say and you have to understand this. Okay. So now, if I will say, it is just I will speak in German language and you have to understand, right? Okay. Guten Tag, ich heiße, and you have to write down also. You have to write down also, you have to tell it to me like my first phrase was what, my second phrase was what. Okay, I will be very slow. Ich bin Ankit. Hallo, ich heiße Ankit und du und sie. Wie geht es dir? Wie geht es dir? Ich bin gut, ich bin sehr gut. Und sie und du? Wie heißt du? Wie heißen Sie? Oh, guten Tag. Mein Name ist und du? Mein Name ist Ankit. Und du? Und sie? Wie geht es dir? Ich bin gut. Ich bin auch gut. Ich bin sehr gut. समझ आया आशिमा कुछ मैं क्या बोल रहा हूँ?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Wie geht es dir? Ich will essen. What is this? Tell me, Ashima. Ich will essen. Ich will gehen. Ich will ins Kino gehen. So tell me what I'm saying. समझ आया आपको basically? समझ?
Ich will listen. I want it.
Very good, very good. Okay.
I want go.
Yeah, very good, very good, very good. Okay. Now you have to tell it to me. Hallo, guten Tag, ich lerne Deutsch. Hallo, guten Tag, ich lerne Sprache Deutsch. Hallo, guten Tag, कुछ भी. Okay, चलो. Okay, let's go for a next pattern. समझ आया आपको आशिमा कि how you can increase. See, this is a pattern wherein you can increase your listening skills also. So what you have to do is Ashima, the moment I will send it to you, the link, जो भी आपको लिंक भेजूंगा अभी, उसमें जो भी हम अभी लिसनिंग कर रहे हैं, मैं बोल रहा हूँ, उसको अगेन आपको रिपीटिशन पे जाना है, सुनना है उसको बार बार. ओके, सो बेसिकली एक हमारा वो कैब है, आपको वो कैब दे रहा हूँ, ओवरलॉग. ओवरलॉग इज योर बेसिकली योर वैकेशन. वी यूज एज अ वैकेशन, क्योंकि आप बहुत यूज़ करते हो वैकेशन को ना, आपके A1 में कि डिस्क्राइब योर वैकेशन. ओके, सो दैट इज ओवरलॉग. ओवरलॉग इज योर बेसिकली योर वैकेशन. इफ यू से आशिमा वी मेक वैकेशन, we make vacation. If you will say Ashima, we make vacation, so we have a via machen is a verb हमने करा है.
Yes, sir.
Via machen voila. So अब आपको समझ आ रहा है आशिमा.
Yes, sir.
Today is what? Heute. Heute is what? Today. Today is what? Heute. So if I will say something, ich lerne gerade. Ich lerne gerade. I'm saying ich lerne. It means I'm saying I study right now. Gerade. Gerade. Okay, so basically if I'm saying I study right now, ich lerne gerade is right now, because on a daily basis I will give you a different vocabularies, like we have done Schlussen, yesterday we have done, right? We have done a lot of vocabularies yesterday. Okay, so if I'm saying, you say I study right now. I study. Ich lerne gerade. I study today. What you will say? I study today. Ich lerne heute. Because I'm saying heute is today. Ich lerne heute. Is that clear to you?
Yes, sir.
Okay. For example, you will say, chalo, let's start with this. Let's go for the quiz portion. You have to translate the language now. Okay, you will say she studied today. Tell me, she studied today. She is what? She studied today.
Sehr.
Sie. Sie lernt, because we have what? She studied. Sie lernt. Sie, because we have a verb lernen that is converted into lernt. Sie lernt heute. Clear हो रहा है आपको आशिमा?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is a pattern, like we have done a lot of things over here, and from this pattern you can come to the language. Is that clear to you?
Yes.
Right, Ashima? So what you have to do is I am going to share 2 links, Ashima, abhi, because we are not stretching the session abhi, because that's a new language for you. So इतना बहुत है अभी आज, या और करना है?
सर ठीक है.
ठीक है, you want to do? अभी करना है और आपको? Okay, do one thing. मैं ना अभी आपसे 2 लिंक शेयर कर रहा हूँ. Okay? रीवॉच द लिंक अगैन एंड अगैन. पिछले लिंक्स भी आप देखो. कल से हम अपना सेशन स्ट्रेच करेंगे, क्योंकि मेरे को ये है कि आपको समझ आना चाहिए. कभी ये ना हो कि आपको है ना, मैं बता रहा हूँ तो कुछ वोकेबलरीज आपके. तो कल हम ना एक काम करेंगे. कल वी हैव अ पोर्शन फॉर वोकेबलरीज ओनली. विल डू जर्मन लैंग्वेज वोकेबलरीज. कॉमन नाउन्स करेंगे हम, आर्टिकल्स करेंगे कल हम. राइट? सो कल हम बहुत लॉट ऑफ वोकेबलरीज, एंड कल विल डू आर्टिकल्स. डेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स हैं, वी हैव इनडेफिनेट आर्टिकल्स, वी हैव नाउन्स. What to say table in German, chair, bag, okay, rubber, sketch, pen, what to say. So tomorrow we'll do nouns, then we'll go for a conversation. You will come to know lot of vocabularies. Okay, till the time what you have to do is इस लिंक्स को आप रीवॉच करो, अगेन एंड अगेन देखो, पिछले लिंक्स आप सारे देखो जो मैंने आपको भेजे हुए हैं, एंड टेल मी कि इसमें कुछ प्रॉब्लम तो नहीं है, बिकॉज कल से हम एक हायर पैटर्न की ओर जा रहे हैं, उसमें आपको बहुत सारी वोकेबलरीज मिलेंगी. इज इट क्लियर टू यू?